To access your central user directory, navigate to People, then Users in the Admin Portal sidebar. The Active tab is your default view, displaying everyone currently provisioned in your workspace. At the top, a progress bar helps you easily monitor your overall license seat usage. Below, the table provides a quick overview of each member's job title, status, and portal access. To manually add an employee, click the blue Invite User button. Enter their first and last name, along with their email address. Under Portal Access, the Learner portal is always enabled by default. If the new user needs to manage courses or oversee a team, you can toggle on the Instructor portal or the Group Lead portal to grant them additional privileges. In the Pending Requests tab, you review and approve users who sign up via self-registration. Back on the Pending Invites tab, you can manage users who haven't yet accepted their links. Click Resend to dispatch a fresh email to the top of their inbox, or click Delete and Confirm to cancel the invitation and instantly free up the reserved license seat. Finally, for onboarding large teams, TechClass supports bulk uploads. Click the Import Users button to open the CSV uploader. From here, you can download a sample CSV to properly format your data, then drag and drop your file to provision your entire team all at once.